Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss a very important lesson which is Gamak. This is a start of Gamak. Let me start this class. First in this class we will learn first tabla. How to understand the tabla. That is our first tutorial. Let me play that. Dha dhin dhin dha dha dhin dhin dha na tin tin ta te te dhin dhin dha dha dhin tin dha dha dhin dhin dha na tin tin ta te te dhin dhin dha dha. So this is a tabla teen tal. What I have done? Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. So first is shom, dha. The louder sound is shom. Ninth beat is phak. Okay. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. This one is important to complete the cycle. Okay. Now we will practice our Sarigama Padhanisa with this Taal. How? Let me show you. Dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha. So what we have learned so far? I have started from the phak, 9th beat. Then 8 beat of single note I have proceeded. Sa 8 matra, re 8 matra, ga 8 matra, ma 8 matra, upper sa 8 matra. Now why I have done this? I will calculate where I have started and where I am ending. Sa I am starting from phak. Then re will definitely start with shom because 8. Then it will come the shom. Okay, again it will be ga will be phak. So this is a clear understandings of tabla. If you are not confident with teen tal, with tabla teen tal, then you are in a very you cannot play the teen tal things. I mean rags or any compositions. Teen tal you will not feel confident. So first you will learn from the very basic Saregama Padhanisa. Okay. Now a basic thing of Meer or Gamak. Now what is Gamak? First we will do the adjacent notes to previous note. Let's try this. Okay, the adjacent note to the previous notes. If I need to play Sa, I will make sure it will be a Re Sa. Then if I play Re, it will be Ga Re. If I Ga, then Ma Ga. Always is a carve. Okay, this we will start with bass pa to ma. Now we will check. I am playing with tabla. So what I have done, I have gone the 4 beat. Dha pa ni dha, like that I am going. Now imagine we will go little faster. The same things it will be go in 2 beat. How? Te te dhin dhin dha. Te te dhin dhin dha. Now you have understood. First I am going for 4, then 2. The same things you will do in the prior. All the notes will be 8 matra, then 4 matra, then 2 matra, then 1 matra. The same practice we will continue in the Gamak part. Now it is not yet Gamak. How it will go as a Gamak? This is a practice to enter to the zone of Gamak. Okay, this is the practice. Now I am going for 1 matra. Te te dhin dhin dha. Little faster. Na ti tin ta te te dhin dhin dha. Dhin dha dha dhin dhin dha. Dhin dha. Now see, I am faster. 2 3 te dhin dhin dha. You can go faster, you can go slower. Te te dhin dhin dha. Now this is the Gamak, means when I am little bit faster of adjacent note playing, this is the first area of Gamak. This is not only this is the Gamak, this is means I am going sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. If I sing like that, sa re ga ma pa, if I sing like that, this what is, it is not this so it is the adjacent note. So like this way, if you make faster, then the Gamak sound will occur. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you understood how to practice with Taal, how to practice Gamak. This is the first playing of Gamak. Later we will come up more videos on Gamak, I hope you have understood. Please practice and let me know if you have any problem. Thank you so much. Bye bye.